Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. I made this video to teach you how to use tout à l'heure. It's the absolute best expression of time because it can mean past, present and future. Let's have a look. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. As we just said, it means at some point in the near past or at some point in the near future. It's an unspecified point, but it's in the near past or future. That's the key. And in effect, we also use it to mean just now. So really, you cannot do without this expression. Let's take a look at examples where it means earlier or a while ago. J'ai rencontré la voisine au marché tout à l'heure. I bumped into the neighbour at the market earlier or a while ago. On en a parlé tout à l'heure. We discussed it earlier. Or you could say we discussed it just then. Now you could also use it to mean just now, just then. For instance, tu as mentionné mon nom tout à l'heure. You mentioned my name just now or just then. Ils partent tout à l'heure. They're leaving now, or they're leaving just now, or they're leaving in a little while. And obviously you can use it to mean later, as in shortly or in a bit. Il va finir la peinture tout à l'heure. He's going to finish the decorating in a bit. Je lui parlerai tout à l'heure. I'll talk to him shortly. And of course, to finish off, you can't do without the expression à tout à l'heure. It means see you later, which when we speak on a familiar level, we shorten to à tout. Laters. The reason we say the T of tout, because we shouldn't, there's no E after it, is because it's normally in the expression à tout à l'heure, and the T is linked with the A, but because you cut it short here, you still have to use à tout as if you were going to finish your sentence. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.